Hello everyone, this is Jay Soni from automatic.com and today I'm going to unbox my first ever Karbonn mobile. And here we go. Sorry for not having an hardcore knife for just to cut tapes. As you can see, let's put the box away. Here's the box. It says Karbonn A25 Android 4.0 ICS ice cream sandwich and 5-inch WVGA capacitive touch screen. Here's the side of the box. Here's quick specs of the Karbonn A25. 1 GHz dual core processor, 5-inch, just like I said, 5-inch WVGA capacitive touch screen, 5 megapixel camera with LED flash, 2000 mAh battery, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, Edge, motion sensor, 32 GB expandable memory, dual SIM. So let's unbox it. Let's open the box. It's quite hard to open. Let's put it this way. So here's the device. The device looks really good. There's a charger, USB charger running away. Here's the battery, 2000 mAh battery. Let's put it inside the phone. There it is. Now believe me when I say this, guys, its back cover is really hard to take out, like seriously really hard. I don't know if it's just my device or it's every device is going to be like this. Anyways, let's turn it on. See, it's turning on. Let's look at the device things in the box. Wow, so Karbonn is trying to make its earphone look like Beats, I guess. Look at the red flame color of the cords of the earphones, but I can bet its quality is still going to be mediocre. But anyways, these are in-ear earphones, so that's good. And there's your USB cable. There's the manual. And this, I guess, warranty or something else, authorized service center card. Let's put everything back inside. There it goes. Box. Now so it's a dual core device running on Android 4.0 ice cream sandwich. Let's unlock it. You can select wallpapers from here, all the default Android wallpapers, and video wallpaper, that's new. So you can put up an video as in wallpaper, very small videos. You can see it's only 5 seconds, but that's something new. Also have gallery and the wallpapers. Let's change the wallpapers. Let's change it to this. See, and there's no option of increasing the home screen panes, but that's not an issue. You cannot remove this Google search bar or Google Now, I guess. Here's your multitasking window. Just swipe right or left to end the particular task. Here's the settings. Let's see about phone. Android version 4.0.4. Let's set up Wi-Fi and let's check the browser. So here it is, the Wi-Fi all set up. Now we can, here on the side, let's open Google. Let's check our site, domatic.com. The browser is quite fast, as you can see, and I'm guessing this is because of the dual core and the 512 MB RAM. This phone is running quite fast and it's not bad for 6,500 rupees. It's definitely better than the Micromax Canvas Viva or Micromax A72. Only has one drawback, that it doesn't have 3G, which is not that big of a drawback for this price range. So if you want a nice 5-inch screen phone for around 6,000 rupees, you can buy this phone. You can wait for my full review on this phone and gaming and other videos on this phone. So hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe if you like the video. Thanks for watching.